In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a ticket to Salesforce in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth and efficient process. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. You'll do this by navigating to the Salesforce login page in your web browser. Make sure you have your credentials handy. If you encounter any issues logging in, check your internet connectivity or try resetting your password. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your home page, which is the starting point for all Salesforce activities. Next, you want to look for the Guidance Center. This is an incredibly useful feature within Salesforce that provides access to various resources and tools. You'll find the Guidance Center on the main dashboard. It's essential, especially when you're looking to effectively manage your customer service operations or streamline how you handle customer cases. Once you've opened the Guidance Center, the next step is to click on Start Helping Customers. This option is designed to guide you further on managing customer interactions and solving issues efficiently. By clicking this, you're initiating the process of raising a support ticket, which is crucial for tracking and resolving customer problems. Now, move on to click Add a Customer Case. This option will direct you to a section where you can start creating a new case for a particular customer. It's important to have all necessary details about the customer and their issue on hand. This ensures that the case is completed accurately and helps provide better service to your customer. Following that, select Add a Case. This selection opens a new form specifically for the case you're about to create. It's important to be precise and thorough in filling out this form to ensure clarity and avoid any delays in case resolution. Make sure you include all relevant information, such as customer details, a description of the issue, and any other critical data that might assist in solving the issue. Once you've completed the form with all the required details, the final step is to click Save or the available equivalent Submit button. This action will officially create the case in Salesforce. After clicking Save, it's always a good practice to review the case just to ensure everything is in order. That's it. You've successfully raised a ticket in Salesforce, and now your case is ready for tracking and further action. Remember, these steps are designed to make the process as efficient and effective as possible, ensuring your customers receive the support they need in a timely manner. I hope this guide helps you navigate the process with ease. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more helpful Salesforce tips and tricks.